Hi, this is Shubhangi and you're watching me on Femina.in. So today I'm going to create this super easy makeup look. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Starting off with my skin prep, I'm going to moisturize my face very well, followed by an illuminating primer which I'm going to apply on my face and my neck, which will give me a glowy base even after the foundation is applied. I'll let the primer sit for a while and start with my eyebrows. I'm using an eyebrow powder to fill in the sparse areas of my eyebrows. I will brush them off with a spoolie. And then to define the shape of my brows, I'm going to use a flat concealer brush and carve out the shape of my eyebrows, which will make it look well defined. To make my eyeshadow last longer, I'm going to apply some concealer as my eyeshadow base and I'm going to blend it out using a damp sponge. Then I'll apply a foundation that matches my skin tone exactly. And I'm going to apply it all over my face and my neck region. You can either use a brush or a damp sponge, but make sure to blend in dabbing motions until it looks seamless. Now I'm going to use two different shades of concealers, one dark and one light. The darker one is basically to hide any pigmentations and the lighter one is to highlight any areas that I want to lift further. I'll then use the same damp sponge that I used earlier to blend everything. Now to add a hint of color to my cheeks, I'm going to apply a cream blush onto my cheeks, on my nose and on my chin, and I'm going to blend it out until it looks seamless. And then I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to contour the sides of my cheeks, my jawline, my temporal area and the sides of my nose. And I will blend any harsh edges with the help of the sponge. To set everything in place and to prevent creasing, I'm going to apply a translucent powder all over my face and my neck. Starting off with the eye makeup, I'm going to apply some black kohl on my eyelid, and using a blending brush, I'm going to blend the kohl in swiping motion from one end to another until the harsh edges completely disappear. Now I'm going to apply a medium brown eyeshadow only on the midsection in a semicircle form, and I'm going to blend it out using a blending brush. Then I will pack some dark brown eyeshadow right in the center. To give myself a more smoked up look and to increase intensity, I'm going to add some terracotta or a burnt orange sort of an eyeshadow only on the outer region and make sure that it is all blended and seamless. I'll drag the same shades down to my lower lash line and that's it. Now I'm applying some bronze brown glitter on my eyelid. This will just elevate this look to another level and add dimension. I will now apply some kohl only on my top and bottom lash line and I'll smudge it out using a smudger brush. I will apply some more kohl only on the outer V of my eye and I will lift it further to give myself a smoked wing. After this, I will apply wispy but natural looking eyelashes, followed by a waterproof mascara, and I will generously coat my lashes with the same. Now I'm using a champagne gold highlighter to highlight my brow bone, inner corners of my eyes, on my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and my chin. Now to set all this makeup in place and make it long lasting, I'm going to use a makeup setting spray. And to complete the makeup look in the end, I'm going to apply some nude lipstick and we're done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked the tutorial, and if you did, then please like this video, share this video and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such videos and I will see you all next time. Bye bye.